Oh my gosh, where is it? I can't find it. I need to find it. It's really important. Oh my gosh, what am I going to do? You know, your CRM should not be that way. Today, we're going to talk about HubSpot. We're going to talk about your CRM. We're going to talk about notes and being able to find stuff. Let's go ahead and dive into this.
Are you a HubSpot user looking for fun and interactive education that helps you be better at HubSpot? Then welcome to Sprocket Talk.
That's right. Today we're talking about the HubSpot CRM and being able to pin notes. I'm going to show you how to do that because sometimes you need to have the information that is so vitally important at your fingertips. It's not that difficult. It's actually really easy. Let's go ahead and dive into HubSpot and show you how to get that done. So as you can see, we're in a HubSpot portal right now, and what we want to do is, well, go to a contact. So we're going to go over to contacts, and then we can go to contacts, and then we could search contacts, or we can actually save ourselves some time and we can come over to this search right here and we could type in a search for a certain individual. In this case, I am going to use Remington Begg. You know, I happen to leave some notes on Remington Begg's account here, but some of them are important, some of them are not. I mean, what do you think about butterflies? I don't know, and I love adding notes in the CRM, but these Sprocket Talk videos are going to be awesome. That might need to be pinned, and well, it's pretty dang easy. We can go into actions here and we can say pin this note. It goes to the top. You even see that there's a little pin graphic, and of course, if you wanted to unpin it, you could do the same action. This is also where you're going to delete those notes because, hey, look, butterflies, well, they might not be that cool. Anyway, folks, with HubSpot, the CRM, the sales side of it, it's that simple. It's that easy. You'll never be frantically looking for another note again in your life. Look, do you need education past this tutorial? Then make sure you check the links below. That's what we do, 1 and 2 day workshops as well as weekly training. Make sure you go into your HubSpot portal. Make sure you pin those important pieces of information. I'm your boy George B from Sprocket Talk, aka Impulse Creative, saying go out into the world and do some happy HubSpotting.